This one's for my business owners. It's hard for a lot of us. It's hard. But don't you give up. I don't care how hard it's getting. If this is what you really want to do and your heart is into it and this is your passion, you better keep going through the good days, through the bad days, through the days you don't have no sales, to the days you have sales out the roof to the point that you can't even handle it. You better keep going. Because guess what? Somebody else is rooting for you. Somebody else is watching you. You're somebody else's motivation. Keep going. Don't allow nobody to make you feel like you can't do it, because they probably can't do it, but you can do it. So keep going. It's going to be some losses that we take that nobody wants to talk about. Oh, but it's losses that we take. It's days we're sitting on inventory just waiting for a sale. Keep going. You never know who's watching you. That support is out there. So keep going, baby.